Hello, this is Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning and decluttering my kids' play area in our living room, putting some things away for Christmas to keep it simple, and then I'm going to go in and put some Christmas touches in here and decorate this area for Christmas. This is also a tiny Tidy Tuesday collab hosted by Sunday Dawn over at The Helpful Home. So there will be a playlist linked down below in the description box for you to go check out, get more cleaning motivation to tackle the things on your to-do lists. Even doing one small thing will help freshen up your home and maybe give you that motivation to keep on going and tackle more on your to-do list. So definitely check out Sunday Dawn's channel and the playlist, and I will talk to you at the end. I'm gonna put on some cozy Christmas music. So here is a closer look at all of the decorations, the nativity, and some fun Christmas trees, a puppet tree, lots of Christmas stuffed animals, gingerbreads, the plastic tree that they can interact with safely. And then up here I have the kids' craft tree where they can put all of their creations this Christmas, and then a little gingerbread nativity scene. And then we have the couch all decorated with gingerbread. It's like our gingerbread family. So that is going to finish up today's video. Thank you so much for being here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I have lots more Christmas content coming your way. And don't forget to check out Sunday Dawn's channel and the playlist link down below for more Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Bye for now.